Up early. Today I get acupuncture facial. Doing that for GloZell on Awestruck, so make sure you check that out on YouTube. GloZell is asleep. You wanna know why? It's daytime. She's been up all night. I decided to. I've been vegan, but I'm gonna do raw for a few days, because I've been eating a lot of rice and a lot of beans. I've enjoyed it, but I'm going to cut it out for a while. Okay. What do you think about that? Okay. I'm also waiting for Trey Major. It's early. He's got like over an hour. And then he's gonna do my makeup and then we're off. Trey is here to save the day.
Hey.
What the hell is over there? Somewhere.
Good morning.
There you go. I don't know. It seems to be a... Alright, we're getting ready for acupuncture facial. Wow. But everyone is saying how amazing I look, and it's because of this dude right here.
Oh, I'm just sprinkling her a little bit. She's just beautiful naturally.
Oh, y'all seen it before. Y'all seen it before. Mm-hmm. It's like, argh.
But she ready. She ready now.
Alright, yay. Right, Ozell, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ozell, what are you doing? Huh? Okay, so why are you in the box?
Getting this far and keeping the dust has strained this street already. The Tory divisions have not.
Drooling in the box. Okay. Enjoy your stay.
An achievement.
There she is in a box. Ozell, where? Oh, in a box. Okay, you have a lot of toys, but I'm glad you're playing with the trash. Okay, bye-bye. Stop it! Ozell, stop! She saw me do videos, and now she's doing that sound. Stop it.